Hello, my name is Vidal Lemus and welcome to the Communicative Language Teaching. But what is the Communicative Language Teaching? Communicative Language Teaching aims broadly to apply the theoretical perspective of the communicative approach by making communicative competence the goal of the language teaching and by acknowledging the independence of language and communication skills. In this method, we can mention communicative competence. One of the communicative competence of this method is knowing to use the language for a range of different functions or purposes. Knowing how to vary or use a language according to the setting and the participants. Knowing when to use formal and informal speech. So we can define some communicative competence about knowing how to produce and understand different types of text, for example. Knowing how to maintain communication despite having limitation in one's language knowledge. So this means the learners learn through using language to communicate. So what is the principle of this method? Authentical and meaningful communication should be the goal of the classroom activities. Fluency it is an important dimension of communication in this method. Communication involves the integration of different language skills. For example, social interaction at the moment the teacher speaks with another person or one of the students or a student with another classmate in the classroom. So that's define communicative languages in different ways. So it's going to depend about activities the teacher teaching in their own classes. But the principle is communicative. Try to develop the communicative skill for the students. The students going to able to produce and try to analyze different aspects, different meaning, and try to share and compare their own information with others. But this case, all the time trying to communicate, try to verbal action to show in this case. So communicative learning is teaching. So going to help us try to develop our skills in the spoken language.